Hello everybody, hope you're well. This is this week's work, a beautiful dining room from the Lotherton Hall estate. This is the MDF board that I've primed with an oil-based primer and just given it an acrylic wash over the top. So I'm using the side method, which basically means that you just can copy and measure anything from the same size photograph to the same size canvas, which makes life very easy indeed. This loose charcoal drawing is just really to give me a bit of information and know where to start from. And don't forget to brush all the excess dust away before you're beginning to apply the paint. And so I go straight in with the red. I just couldn't resist. Now red can be difficult to work with if you don't know what you're doing, because if you want to make a lighter red and you add white, it will obviously become pink. So what I've done here, I wanted to use cadmium red, and to darken that I used alizarin crimson and black obviously to get a little bit shade darker, but you've always got to be a bit aware with reds. So I like to work in layers, and this is the first layer that I'm putting down here, and I haven't gone to the top of my tonal range, so you notice that the window is not white, it's off white. I work my way up to the white in the next layer as I work along. The brush I'm using for the majority of this work is a size 2 Rosemary & Co. Evergreen Extra Long Flat. I like the challenge of using just one size brush, and I find then if I use that size brush all the way along, I don't get bogged down in detail, and it gives the work a really loose finish to it. So this is day 2 now, and as you can see I'm applying white at the window and all the crockery. The reason for choosing this next picture was not only the colour, because I think the colour's stunning, but it was also the high contrast, so the reflection in the table and the whiteness in the window and the real darkness under the table, which I thought would make for a really good painting. So when I began the second layer, I thought of it as a landscape and worked at the furthest part away and worked towards me, so working in layers. Because obviously I've got a lot of things that are going in front of other things, and it's easier to work that way. To tell you how much I'm actually enjoying painting these interiors. I just love getting into all the nitty-gritty of the detail, and just trying to replicate it in a really loose way. So we're almost at the end now. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I hope you've learnt something from it. If you have, I'd love you to give me a like and a subscribe. It would help me very much. Thanks for watching.